Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Monday.com API for building an operations app, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up the Monday.com API for building an operations app, start by creating a Monday.com account if you don't already have one. Next, navigate to the API section on the Monday.com website. Log into your account and click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Select Admin from the menu options that appear. Look for the API section in the sidebar. Here, you will find your API token. Copy this token, as it will be used to authenticate your requests. Now, choose the programming language you will use for your app. Common choices include Python, JavaScript, or Ruby. Install any necessary libraries or SDKs that facilitate API requests in your chosen language. For Python, you may want to install the requests library. In your chosen editor, create a new project folder for your operations app. Create a file named app.py or similar, depending on your language and conventions. In this file, start by importing the necessary libraries. For Python, you will import the requests library at the top. Next, define a function to establish a connection to the Monday.com API. This function will take the API token as an argument. Use the token to set the authorization header for your requests. Create another function that will fetch data from a specific board on Monday.com. You will need the board ID to retrieve this data. Pass the board ID as a parameter to your function. Make a GET request to the API endpoint for fetching board data. Handle the response and parse the JSON data returned. Now, move on to updating items on your board. Define another function that takes the item ID, the column values, and the board ID as parameters. Construct the API request to update this item, ensuring to include the necessary payload. Next, you may want to create a user interface for your app. Decide whether you will build a web app or a desktop application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.